Hello and welcome. Rather unorthodox. I've just gotten to work and found out I've had a parcel arrive. So I decided to do an impromptu little unboxing while I'm at work 5 minutes before I start. So very quick unboxing. I've just snipped it open just to check what it is. New project for me. I keep on seeing these on TikTok and I decided to get one. I think it's called a Neacole bear. When I update the description, I'll make sure that it's all properly in there. So let's get into this thing. So yeah, Neacole. I've not that long finished the Lego succulents, which put me on a little bit of a Lego craze. I believe these are like mini blocks, but we will soon see. So you can have a look what it looks like. Isn't she just the cutest? So let's get in here. Okay. Little sticky bits. Yes, I ordered this off TikTok shop and Amazon actually delivered it. So as strange things go. Okay. I don't want to rip this off if I don't have to. Come on. There we go. Okay. So, here it goes. Oh my God. I have a hammer. I have a hammer. Okay. There is bag number 1. So they are absolutely tiny little pieces. And there is bag number 2. Oh, what have I done? So I believe it's going to be about, this is the medium sized bear, so there's my instructions. And I believe it's going to be about 35 centimetres high. Yes, so, and there's loads of bears to pick from. I just like the one in the little swimming rubber ring. The face it is super cute. So yeah, I believe that there's an app you can get that talks you through each one and you can move it around so you can see what you're doing. But the idea is that you build it up in layers and so on and so forth. So let's expect to see something very soon. Hopefully I'll have enough confidence where I will either bring it on a live with me or do some recording, maybe do a time lapse. But yes, this is a new little project. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you guys because I'm at work and we'll be starting very soon. So, wish me luck. Let's put that there just for a second. Wish me luck and I will catch you guys very soon. Okay, love you guys. Bye.